In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Etsy app, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate your next shopping experience effortlessly. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, these steps will help you master buying on Etsy easily. Let's dive in. First, open the Etsy app on your device. This will take you to the home screen where you'll find a variety of options to browse unique handcrafted items from various sellers around the world. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that next. Look for the profile icon, usually located on the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap it. Here, you'll enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you're ready to explore the myriad of treasures Etsy has to offer. As you browse, you might come across items that catch your eye, whether it's a piece of handmade jewelry, a vintage find, or a custom art piece. Take your time scrolling through until you find something that you'd like to purchase. Click on the item for more details. This page will show you important information like the product's description, price, shipping details, and customer reviews. Make sure to read through everything carefully to ensure it meets your expectations. Decided on a piece? You have two options. Click Buy It Now if you're sure about the single item, or choose Add to Cart if you're planning to continue shopping and add multiple items for a single checkout. Remember, by adding to your cart, you can always review all your selected items before making a purchase. With your item selected, it's time to proceed to the checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your shipping address. Ensure that this address is correct, as this is where your items will be sent. Accurate details here prevent any mishaps, so double check everything before proceeding. Next up is choosing your payment method. Etsy offers several options, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes even Etsy gift cards. Enter the necessary details for your selected method, ensuring all information is correct and up to date to avoid any processing errors. Before hitting that final purchase button, take one last look at your order. Review all items, shipping details, and payment information to ensure everything is accurate. This is your chance to make any last-minute changes before completing the order. Finally, once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and click Buy to confirm your order. Congratulations! You've successfully placed your order on Etsy. You can sit back, relax, and look forward to your unique finds arriving at your doorstep. And that's it. You've now learned the ins and outs of placing an order and completing a purchase on the Etsy app. Happy shopping and enjoy the wonderful items you discover along the way.